Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. Today we will discuss addition of fractions. There are two rules to add the fractions. Today we will discuss one of them. So what are the basic rules to add the fractions? Rule number 1. Make sure the denominators are same. Otherwise, make so by suitable multiplications. Rule number 2. Add numerators and put the answer over the denominator. Rule number 3. Simplify the fraction if required. So what does it means? That firstly you have to make sure the denominators are same. आपके पास दो फ्रैक्शंस हैं जिनको आप ऐड कर रहे हैं. अगर उनके डिनोमिनेटर्स दोनों के सेम नहीं हैं, या तीन फ्रैक्शंस हैं, चार, जितनी भी फ्रैक्शंस हैं, अगर उनके डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं हैं तो आप सूटेबल मल्टीप्लिकेशंस करेंगे ताकि उनके डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो जाए. उसके बाद आप उनके न्यूमरेटर्स को ऐड अप करेंगे. लास्टली आपके पास एक फ्रैक्शन आ जाएगी. इफ़ दैट फ्रैक्शन इज़ इन इट्स लोएस्ट फॉर्म, यानी कि सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म, देन ओके. अदरवाइज यू विल सिंप्लीफाई इट टू मेक इट more simple in its lowest form. So let's take examples. So example number 1, 2 over 5 plus 3 over 10. The first rule of addition of fraction says denominators should be same, otherwise make it so by suitable multiplication. So here we have is 5 and here we have is 10. We can make this 5 10 by multiplying 2 with it. So we have multiplied 2 with this 5 in the denominator. And a very basic rule of mathematics says if you are multiplying anything in the denominator, you will also do the same in the numerator. So we have multiplied 2 in the numerator also. Plus 3 over 10 will come as it is. 2 into 2 is 4, 5 into 2, 10, plus 3 over 10. Rule number 2. Add the numerators and write the answer above the denominator. 4 plus 3, 7, 10 will come as it is. Rule number 3. Simplify the fraction if required. But this fraction is already in its simplest form. So 7 over 10 is the final answer. Example number 2. 1 over 2 plus 2 over 6. Rule number 1 says denominators should be same. Otherwise make it so by suitable multiplication. We can make this 2 6 by multiplying it with 3. So we will multiply 3 with this 2 in the denominator. We will also multiply this 3 in the numerator. Plus 2 over 6 will come as it is. 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into 3 is 6, plus 2 over 6. Rule number 2. Add the numerators and write the answer above the denominator. So 2 plus 3, 5, 6 will come as it is. Rule number 3. Simplify the fractions if required. But this fraction is already simple, so we will not simplify it further. Let's take another example. 1 over 2 plus 3 over 10. Solution. The denominators are not same, so we will make it by suitable multiplication. Since here we have is 10 and here we have is 2. So 2 how many times is 10? 2 5 times is 10. So we will multiply the 5 in the denominator and as well as in the numerator. 1 5s are 5. And 2 5s are 10, plus 3 over 10. According to rule number 2, we will add the numerators and write above the denominator. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and 10 will come in the denominator. Now 8 over 10 is a fraction, but this fraction is not in its simplest form. So we will simplify it. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 4 over 5. Now this fraction cannot be simplified more. So this is the fraction which is in its lowest form. So here all the three rules are applicable. Rule number 1, 2 and 3. So let's take more examples. Let's discuss a word problem. Ali and Ahmad shared a cake. Ali ate 1 over 3 of it and Ahmad ate 1 over 4 of it. What fraction of cake did they eat all together? This word all together is giving us the concept that the question is of addition and the addition of fractions. So we will follow the rules of adding the fraction. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4. According to rule number 1, denominators should be same. And if they are not same, we have to make it same by suitable multiplication. But there exists no number whose multiplication with this 3 gives us 4. So that we can say that denominators are same. And also there is no number whose multiplication with this 4 gives us 3. So we can say that denominators have become same. Okay? So what we will do is we will take different numbers to make the denominators common. 3 into 4s are 12 and 4 into 3s are 12. So we will multiply 4 with this 3 in the denominator, also in the numerator. Plus we will multiply 3 with this 4 in the denominator, also in the numerator. 1 into 4s are 4, 3 into 4, 12, plus 1 into 3, 3, 4 into 3, 12. Now denominators have become same. Now according to rule number 2, we will add the numerator and write the answer over the denominator. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and 12 will come in the denominator. Rule number 3 is simplify the fraction if needed. But there is no need to simplify this fraction since it is already in its simplest and lowest form. So 7 over 12 is the answer. So this is all for today's lecture. Thank you for watching my video.